Today I'm here with a whole new video. So just a couple things. Obviously another new setup. I just realized that might be really echoey in here. So if it is, just let me know below. Basically we're moving, so I moved into one of our spare rooms. It's a bigger space, and I don't have to deal with that backdrop that I was trying to do. I did add this little decor piece. I do want to add something here. I just don't know what yet. So if you have any ideas for me, let me know below. This setup will be here for the next however many videos until we move, and then we're just going to have to figure it out from there. But yeah, I have been getting so many requests to do a video on my hair. So it's sort of like the pie bun with the hair pieces hanging down. So today I'm here to film that for you guys. It's really easy. All you need is 3 hair ties. I usually use blonde, but because we are moving, I have no idea where they are. So black will have to do. And then the only other thing you need is a curler. I use this curling wand. You need whatever curler you got and 3 hair ties. And yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this hair look, then just keep watching. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to try not to use a comb. This look is meant to be messy. So you're just gonna take your hair back and you're gonna want to part it how you normally. I part it down the middle for this look. So something like that, just easy. Don't spend too much time on it, because if it looks perfect, then it defeats the whole purpose of the look. So what you wanna do is you wanna take about 2 to 3 finger widths apart, and then let's just do 2 in a little bit. So 2 here, bring that down, and this is the part that we're gonna curl. So again, do it to your other side. Curl. If it looks fairly even to you, then good. What I'm gonna do quickly now is you wanna take half of the hair, not the full hair, but just from the ears. So I'll show you from the ear here up, and you want to grab it, sort of make it messy. You can put this back on the sides now, and sort of just form yourself a high ponytail. Again, messier the better. This look isn't meant to be neat. Once you got your high ponytail, I usually like to do it, like, obviously not at the top of my head, but I like to do it so just from my eye straight across, and tie your ponytail there. And then you can tighten it. You can begin loosening some parts. You see how it's messy like that? The next thing I want to do, just to get the hair out of the way fully, is I'm going to keep these parts out. You see all of this hair we have at the back that's not tied? You're basically going to want to tie that into another ponytail. So let me try to turn myself to show you. I hope this works. So I'm just moving this one out of the way so I don't accidentally get it. You're gonna pick up all your hair here. Make sure you don't have any strands behind. Again, you don't even have to look, it can be messy. And you're gonna tie that directly underneath your first ponytail. So does that make sense? So here's my first ponytail. Here's my second ponytail. It's being tied right directly underneath. I'm just getting it all away from my neck so that eventually I can put them into a bun. So make that tight. So basically next, sometimes what I like to do too is I like to wear this down in a ponytail and then curl the ends of it and then have these curled, and I find that's really cute too. But for the purpose of this video, we're gonna do the bun. So that's when your last ponytail comes in handy. So you're going to want to grab both ponytails, push them together, and then you're gonna sort of twist it a little bit, and you're gonna start wrapping them around each other to create this bun. And once the bun, just sort of tie it around, and then there you go. So now you got a cute little bun. Tying it into different sections just makes the bun more full. It also just ensures that it's not gonna fall out throughout the day. So for these 2 pieces, I'm going to take half of it and I'm going to begin curling it. Of course, you want to curl it away from your face. So you want to grab whatever curling tool you have. For me, it's the wand, and you're going to lay it flat, the hair flat against, and you're not going to want it all the way. You're going to want to leave about an inch out, and you're just going to leave that there and wait for it. Sort of pull it out and then do the exact same thing with that first piece. The other half of the piece that we let go. I hope this is making sense for you guys. I can hardly explain a makeup video tutorial, so this is a bit of a stretch for me. But I think as long as you guys get the gist, then you're just gonna wanna pull it out while keeping it together. To keep them together, you just twist both ends and pull down. So I'm gonna just do the exact same thing with this side. So splitting it in half, I'm gonna take the curler, lay it flat, curl it away from your face and leave about an inch out. And then again, the same thing with the first half. You can see how when I'm curling them around the wand, I'm leaving quite a bit of space in between each curl. That's just gonna ensure the curls aren't too close together. I find, for my preference when I do this look, I like the 2 front pieces to be more wavy than anything. So again, you can see how they're separated right here, and let me get it a little closer for you. So you can see how they're separated. So just run your hands through it while it's still hot and sort of twist the bottom. Then it's gone. Okay, now it's like the fun part. Now you can just do whatever you want. I almost find like my hair's a little bit too long right now because I would normally want these a bit shorter. But sort of, you could put some behind your ear, this side. You could do the same thing. Sort of put half behind your ear. You can make this more messy. Like I said, you kind of wanted to make it look like you didn't try that hard. I mean, guys, this is such an easy this is such an easy hair look that, you know, or I find it easy. I don't know, maybe it's because I've been doing it for a while. Wear this, if you're going on a date, you could just wear it with a nice dress. You can make it casual with just like tops and jeans and whatever you want. I mean, I really like it, and I know a lot of you guys requested it. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, just please let me know down below and I'll do my best to answer them all. But I hope I explained it. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys liked it. If you do try it, I have an Instagram. It's Court Lane. I would love it if you guys could just tag me in your photos, tag me in your hair, you know, what you decided to wear with it, the makeup look that you did with it. I think that would be really cool. Anyways, thank you again so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you in the next one.